Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to talk about integration of Rajasthan, which is important from your RIT examination point of view. So first of all we will try to understand that what this word RIT integration actually stands for. So meaning of integration is that it is an act or a process of uniting different races or kingdoms or people to give them equal right and opportunity. Okay, that is what integration means. So how the different states get part of or the different regions they become the part of Rajasthan state. Okay, that what we are going to read under the integration of Rajasthan topic, which is important from your RIT exam point of view. So let's have a look over here that it says Rajasthan is one of 28 states of the Indian Union, and during the British rule this part was of land, which means the Rajasthan was also known as called your Rajputana. This was another name of it, that is the land of Rajputs. Okay, and why it was called? Because this was a very dominating rulers of this state. That is why it was known as called your Rajputana state. Okay, next we have Matsya Union. So what is this Matsya Union? Is actually the division of India was manifested by your communal agitation. Now what is this agitation? Communal agitation means Andolan. Okay, it's a Hindi word for it. On a great scale that overwhelmed the nations. Okay, means they all were overwhelmed, means they were kind of happy with this. Now further it says Bharatpur, Alwar and Alwar were also not secured of these riots, okay, of communal riots. That's so in March 17, 1948, okay, Indian government took over the supervision of these states, okay, as the rulers failed to uphold the peace. Means rulers were not able to maintain the peace in this, so this was taken under the control of Indian government. So neighboring regions to these states were like a Karoli and Dholpur. They were very close to Bharatpur and Alwar. So government has decided to mix this all states, okay, and which is that, that is a Bharatpur, Alwar, Karoli and Dholpur to make one area, and this area was known as called your Matsya Union at that time. All right, so this is your first integration of state in Rajasthan. Now if we look at the second state of integration in Rajasthan, so which was named as your Rajasthan Union. So on March 25, 1948 this happened. Okay, 10 more states, that was namely that is called Kushalgarh, Banswara, Kota, Bundi, Jhalawar, Tonk, Sahapura, Pratapgarh, Dungarpur and Kishangarh, okay, of southern and southeastern Rajasthan joined together structure another union, and that structure or their union was named as your East Rajasthan. So in East Rajasthan, how many states come into that? That was your 10, okay, or the 10 regions comes under that. All right, the names are already given over here. Our third integration was known as called as United States of Rajasthan. So subsequently, the Udaipur state, okay, which was previously known as called your Mewar, is also got united in Rajasthan, okay, union on April 18, 1948. Okay, you should remember this date. They may ask any date on which date this was got united. So the name was then changed to United Rajasthan. Therefore, the 15 states of Rajasthan created their own association. And fourth integration point says the Greater Rajasthan. Okay, so that took place on your March 30, 1949, under which there were the four states came into this category. That was your Jodhpur, Jaipur, Bikaner, and Jaisalmer. Okay, joined this integration, and the region came to be known as your Greater Rajasthan. The Principality of Nimra and Lava also joined this. Okay, on March 30th is now celebrated as Rajasthan Day. So they ask this question, has already asked that when do we celebrate the Rajasthan Day. So you need to remember that is your March 30th. Okay, our next integration is that is your United States of Greater Rajasthan. So on May 15, 1949, the Matsya Union was amalgamated. Now when something is amalgamated means to join together to form a single organization, means they get mixed, okay, into the Greater Rajasthan. Means Matsya Union and Greater Rajasthan, they got united, and therefore and thereafter the confederation was named as United States of Greater Rajasthan. The new name was given to it, that was United States of Greater Rajasthan. Okay, and our sixth integration point says it's about United Rajasthan. The only state, the Siroi, had not joined the federation so far. The Siroi state joined the federation on January 26, 1950. So they may ask you the question that when Siroi became part of Rajasthan. So you should remember that was 26 January 1950. All right. Now reorganized Rajasthan. So Ajmer Mewar region was for long period of time under the unswavering means which is not changing or becoming weaker. Okay, so British rule was not changing actually. Okay, so Ajmer and Mewar was under the Britishers for a long period of time. It Now it was fused means mixed with the Rajasthan in November 1956. That Ajmer and Mewar. Okay, in 1956 they become the part of your Rajasthan on the proposal of the statement of State Reorganizations Commission. Okay, uh, and at the same time period, your Madhya Pradesh in Madhya Pradesh there is a place was there that was known as called Bhanpura Tehsil. Okay, and a place called Mount Abu was the part of Gujarat Tehsil were also merged in the Rajasthan. In which year? In 1950, November 1956. Okay, so there were the two places. One was the Bhanpura and another was Mount Abu. Bhanpura was a part of Madhya Pradesh and Mount Abu was the part of Gujarat. Okay, but in 1956 they merged with Rajasthan. Okay, guys. So now I have the table of this whole, what I can say, the integration of Rajasthan or the 7 stages of the formation of Rajasthan. That was time period was 1948 to 1956 for that. Okay, so now what you are supposed to see, this first one is your group name. Here is the integration date, and here the which states or which regions were included in that, and who are the important people who contributed for it. Okay, so if we look at the very first one, that is the Matsya Union. You have already read that. So formation of the Matsya Union was on March 17, 1948, and the states which were included in this was Karoli, Alwar, Dholpur, and Bharatpur. Okay, and the important person who was associated with this was your the leadership of your Sri Sobharam. Okay, Mr. Sobharam was the one of the important member in this regard. Okay, your second one is your Rajasthan Union. That was formed on your March 25, 1948, and the which places were included as Bhanswara, Bundi, Dungarpur, Jhalawar, Pratapgarh, Kota, Tonk, Shahpur, and Kishangarh. And the person who contributed for this is your this one, the Kota Naresh. Okay, that was called Bhim Singh II, was appointed as the Raj Pramukh, and the Sri Gokul Lal Ashawa was appointed as the Chief Minister of Rajasthan Union. Okay, next one we have is your United States of Rajasthan, which was formed on April 18, 1948. Okay, so Udaipur joined with the other union of Rajasthan. Okay, on April 18, 1948, and main contributor for this is Sri Sir Bhopal Singh, the former Maharana of Udaipur, was appointed as the Raj Pramukh, and Kota Naresh Bhim Singh II was appointed as Up Raj Pramukh of the Union, and the cabinet was formed under the leadership of Sri Manikyalal Verma. Your fourth one was your Greater Rajasthan. So on March 30, 1949, the areas which it includes are your Bikaner, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Jaipur joined the United States of Rajasthan, and formally inaugurated on 30 March 1949 by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who gives his contribution for this. Next one is fifth one is your United States of Greater Rajasthan, which formed on May 15, 1949. And what it includes the Matsya Union merged into Greater Rajasthan. So it includes Matsya Union as well as Greater Rajasthan. The people, those who contributed for this are the Maharana of Bhopal Singh of Udaipur was appointed as the Maharaj Pramukh, and the Kota Naresh Bhim Singh II was appointed as the Raj Pramukh of the cabinet. Okay, was formed under them. So your sixth one is your United Rajasthan, which was formed on 26 January 1950. So 18 states were merged with princely state Siroi, excluding Delwara and Abu. So Siroi became the part of United Rajasthan, but the Abu and Delwara was not included by that time. Okay, till 1956, as they were the part of Gujarat, they were considered the part of Gujarat at that time. And the person, one who contributed for the purpose was your Sri Hira Lal Shastri. Okay, he submitted his resignation from the chief ministership and the interim government was formed on 26 April 1951. Okay, next we have seventh one, that is your reorganized Rajasthan, which was formed on 1st November 1956. So under the State Reorganization Act 1956, the former part C, the state of your Ajmer, Abu Road Taluka, the former part of the princely state Siroi, which was emulated in former Bombay and Sunil Tapa area of the former Madhya Bharat. Okay, fused means mixed with Rajasthan. Okay, and this Sironj sub-district Jhalawar was relocated to Madhya Pradesh. Okay, and here the people, those who contributed for it, is that by 1956 the system of volunteer union of the state was dismantled and the position of Raj Pramukh was abolished. So at that time in 1956 nobody was given, it was abolished, the position was abolished, means to stop doing something. All right. Okay, guys, so that's all about the topic of integration of Rajasthan is concerned. If you like our video, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on it. All right, and what content you are looking for, feel free to write us, and we will work on it, and we will try to provide you the best of the material. So stay tuned and keep watching, be updated with our channel, and we will try to provide you best of the study material. Thank you very much, and have a nice day ahead.